Wow. This is impressive.
Yeah, welcome.
Now, James, thank you for having me today.
You're welcome, Owen.
Now, you've got something really special for us because I think this might be one of the oldest properties we've ever had on the show. Tell me a little bit about this one.
This is a house that was built in 1901. It was originally a kit home that came over from America and has been subsequently modified over time.
Now, I'm dying to get inside and see what you've done with the place. Should we go and have a look?
You lead the way.
My name is Vadim, I'm from ProBuild Projects. We specialize in custom-built homes and major renovations. My favorite part of this project is basically the transition from the heritage home to the new build. Once you open the doors, it's basically outdoor becomes part of the house and it's all have a nice flow. To be able to join the old house with a new modern look extension, it's quite unique, and that gives them space to use this area with family and entertaining.
Now, this is something quite unexpected. This huge contemporary kitchen right in the middle of a heritage home.
Yes, this kitchen was the start of the whole project, and from just installing this kitchen grew the whole extension to the heritage home. This is a kitchen designed by Italian design studio Boffi, and this marble benchtop weighs over 1 tonne.
Now, the magic of this home is the joining of the old and the new, and I'm dying to see how you've handled that over there. Should we go and take a look?
Come over.
An incredible extension onto the heritage property.
Very different to what you've just seen. This dining space here was actually a covered outdoor area, and we have enclosed it with lots of glass, as you can see. And behind you here is a heritage listed stone wall. These stones were actually hewn by convicts, and I think it's just such a beautiful backdrop to such a contemporary extension to a heritage home.
It is. It's got such a mature garden and landscape, and then to have that added historic layer, that heritage element in the walls, in those retainers, is really, really kind of special. There's a beautiful garden there, and I'm sure we're going to get a very different appreciation for this home. Should we go and take a look at that?
Let's do that.
After you. So it's quite a different perspective of the entire project from down here, isn't it?
It sure is, yes. The old home and the new home were never meant to match, but they have a continuity of colour and a continuity of material, but still at the same time having their own identities.
Definitely. You've been able to sort of marry them up down the middle, and it's incredible to behold from this angle.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you
for having us.
You're welcome.
This charming property embodies so much more than just old meeting new. What we now have is a 120-year-old home that's guaranteed to delight for 100 more.